Good morning, friends. I've already started for the James Bond Island tour, which I've been planning for some time. Today is 30th October 2024. Welcome to Chapter 3. This time I've decided to travel by a speedboat instead of a big boat. The ride is a bit bumpy, and I've already reached the first spot of the day, Naka Island. My tour guide told me that we're going to halt here for more than an hour. So be there with me, enjoy the island with me while I sit in a corner with a bottle of beer and enjoy the views along with you. Friends, if you're planning to visit Phuket for 3 to 4 days, James Bond Island tour should always be part of your itinerary. Before I forget and it's too late, I request you to like and share this video with your friends. If you have not subscribed to my channel already, I request you to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining in. Keep watching this video till the end. Thank you. Our halt at Naka Island is over. We are now ready, all set for the next spot of the day, which is going to be Phang Island. So it will take some time for us to reach Phang Island. So be there with me till the end of this video. You're going to get to see all the spots which you see usually in a James Bond Island tour. And Phang Island is supposed to be one of the most interesting and exciting part of this trip. So enjoy this. Now we have reached the next spot of the day, the ice cream cave, which is part of the James Bond Island tour. We need to wear a head protection gear as we're going to walk down the dark caves. Basically, we are quite excited about this. This is a kind of thing I think I'm doing for the first time. So enjoy this with us. Friends, now we have reached the main attraction of the James Bond Island tour, James Bond Island. James Bond Island is famous for the movie of James Bond, Man with the Golden Gun, which was shot right here in 1974. Everyone is so excited, clicking photographs of each other and a lot of selfies. I am sitting at one corner and enjoying a drink, and I'm also busy clicking photographs for you all. Friends, now we are getting ready to move to the final spot of the day for our lunch. We're going to halt somewhere, and we are right now in the Phang Nga Bay area of Thailand. Now we're going to move in a different area of Phang Nga Bay, which is basically called Koh Pani, or more commonly the fisherman village, where we're going to halt for lunch. Friends, our chapter is coming to an end. Please wait for the next chapter. We'd like to thank you for joining in and watching our videos. Do like, do share our video with your friends. Thank you once again.